Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito ang piniling ko Ransom Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Sige po, ating po pagsasamahan ngayon ay reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aquarius. Okay? Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? May shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ay huwag po kayong mahiya na mag-comment. Nagbabasa po ako at nag-reply sa mga comments. Like, share, click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Sige, isang shuffle na lang at kunin na natin yung 10 baraha Aquarius. Okay. Aquarius, mga soulmates ng Aquarius, kamusta kayong lahat? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. 10 cards please for Aquarius. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal sapagkat kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Ransom Tarot Channel. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniwan dapat. That's why lagi ko po sinasabi na utang na loob ko po sa inyo kung saan man makarating ang channel na ito. Okay? And also, I hope and I pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. So, 2 cards more Aquarius para sa reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Okay. Aquarius, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Okay. Aquarius, we have here 5 of Pentacles. Nung mga nakaraang linggo, nakaraang buwan, parang medyo, it's like, overflowing. Parang maganda, stability. Ang good thing dito kasi parang nakapag-ipon ka eh. Maganda, magaling ka sa paghawak ng pera na tumakarang buwan. That's why ngayon, parang medyo nasa winter season. It means na parang hindi maganda yung flow. What I mean, not totally no walang benta or parang walang pumapasok na pera, but parang medyo matumal. Kasi ito malamig, nakikita natin itong panahon. So, di ba pag winter malamig, so kukunti yung choices, yung trabaho kasi parang hindi lumalabas ang mga tao sa bahay. But the good thing here, Aquarius, is since napakagaling nyo, you've laid the foundation in terms of finances sa mga nakaraang taon, nakaraang buwan, at least kahit pa paano may madudukot kayo. Okay? So, but in terms of current situation, I consider Aquarius na medyo matumal or hindi gaano kagandahan ang pagpasok ng pera. Okay? So, ayan. You are worrying about finances. But don't worry about it, Aquarius, kasi sabi ko nga, may madudukot naman kayo. May mga sources naman kayo. Marami naman kayo malalapitan agad-agad. Okay, hindi kasi kayo sanay sa ganitong sitwasyon. Because, Aquarius, in terms of money, alam natin yan, mga Aquarius ay magagaling, masisino, they're very hardworking, and napakagaling nila sa pag-iipon, sa pagtatrack ng kanilang finances. That's why parang hindi sila sanay sa sitwasyon na parang yung medyo matumal, o parang delayed yung mga ganito, they are expecting or they are projecting na ganito yung masisave nila this month, parang ganito yung matitira sa sweldo nila, or ganito amount ang maiipon nila, but somehow hindi ganon sa current situation nila. That's why here, I can see here discontentment or parang a little bit upset, disappointed about your current status in terms of finances. Aquarius. Sige. We have here Death card. So this is ending about this is about closure, this is about ending, pagtatapos, pagkawala, So, titingnan natin dito sa mga susunod na baraha, but, every time death card comes, or every time I read the death card ay lumalabas, so far wala pa man ako naalala na ni-read ako na literally may namatay. But, depende na lang kapag sinamahan talaga siya ng super negative cards. But I can see here, with the energy that I can feel sa 8 cards, sa 7 cards pa natin nakaka-open, I can feel her na positibo naman. This death card, sabihin, kapag may matatapos, mga sitwasyon, relationship, friendship, sabihin, there's something na mas prepare sa universe na mas maganda at mas malaki sa Aquarius. Okay, tingnan natin. So, death is about ending, may matatapos, may mawawala, may ika-cut off. You're going to burn a bridge. Sabi kasi so sinagot tayo ng baraha. So, don't be surprised, Aquarius. Siguro may mga habits ka, may mga ginagawa ka dati na parang comfortable ka na because it was already in your comfort zone. But don't be surprised kapag tinapos yun yung university, tanggalin yun kasi sabihin niya, oh, hindi yan maganda sa'yo, hindi yan makakatulong sa'yo. Maybe you are confident kasi okay naman ang kaperahan mo, but here, eto may mas malaki, mas malaki kung ipapalit sa'yo in terms of, this is Ace of Pentacles, this is a big amount of money. Or what I mean is kung ano man tong bago na matutuklasan mo na ibibigay sa universe is ito yung magbibigay ng stability in terms of money. Kasi yan, napakalaking pera. Ace of Pentacles, it means na talagang you will be contented with this thing. Hindi ka na yung parang magtatrabaho pa ng dalawa, tatlo, overtime, o kung ano man just to save money. At least I can see here na at isa na lang itong trabaho na to, but still, magbibigay na to sa'yo ng stability in terms of finances. Okay? So, sabi ko sa'yo, pag may tinanggal, pag may mawala, may ipapalit. Okay, Aquarius. Fool. So, it will make you confident, it will make you contented, happy. At the same time, Aquarius, wag masyadong mag-alala, wag masyadong mag-worry kasi prone kayo sa mga anxiety. Here, you just need to enjoy yourself. Okay? Kung kayang gawa ng paraan yung mga siguro kung pressure man sa trabaho, at least take a break and gawin sa susunod na araw. But in terms, if you're stressed about responsibilities of family members or love life, so just need to unwind first. You need to regain your energy, recharge para muli kang, kasi mahirap mag-decide, mahirap kumilos kapag, drained ang energy mo. So this full card, the universe is telling Aquarius to have time to relax, to unwind. So kahit ilang araw, ilang linggo, mag-leave ka naman, mag-break ka naman, and have time for yourself to enjoy and to regain the lost energy na parang you badly needed. Okay? So just enjoy yourself. Just enjoy na siya. I-balance. Habang nag-i-income, habang nagtatrabaho, at least have time to unwind. Hindi pwedeng ibubuhos mo lahat ng oras mo sa trabaho, Aquarius. Okay? So before we continue, kapag naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment po kayo. Like, share, click the notification bell, and of course, ang hihingin ko lang pong bayad sa inyo ay subscribe po ang ating channel. Okay? Let's go to the second row, Aquarius. We have here the Emperor card. Okay, so you are guided by your spirit guides. You're guided by the universe. So, huwag ka mag-alala. Maybe if you're worrying about something na hindi mag-work sa'yo, no, it will work because andyan ang Panginoon niya sa likod mo. So, the universe is there at your side, your spirit guides, guardian angels, the Holy Spirit. So, this also represents kasi makatapat siya dito sa sinabi ko na parang medyo matumal. So, wag ka mag-worry. Okay? Wag ka mag-worry kasi hindi naman forever yan eh. So, that would only be temporary. But the most important thing here is mabilis ka nang makahanap ng kapalit. Mabilis kang makakasumpong ng mga panibagong options and choices because the universe is here at your side, at your back. So, tawagin mo lang siya if you have strong faith or you believe in Him. So, there's no impossible thing about sa mga bagay. So, this is the world card. We have a good news here. May panibago kong malalaman na if you're waiting for a result, waiting for something na parang tinatrabaho mo for a long time, past weeks, past days. So, expect a news about it. It's like a result about it. So, malalaman mo ito sa mga dating na araw. Especially, this is related to finances, ay kapirahan, maybe you are very anxious about it kung ano ba, makukuha mo pa ba ito, babalik ba ito sa'yo, mahihit mo ba ito, so maybe you are working in a company na parang may quota about sa ganito dapat yung sales. So, don't worry because the Emperor is here, you will, the luck will be on your side, so sabihin na ayon sa'yo yung good news or positive results. Okay? We have their Page of Swords. So, magkatapat sila ng Death card. Ito yung ang tatapusin pala sa'yo. Tatanggalin pala sa universe yung pagiging mahina, pagiging negative thinker mo, yung parang mabilis kang mag-isip or mawala ng pag-asa, panghinaan. So, here, the Page of Swords, the universe will give you the courage, ang talino, the wisdom. Ikaw na ang bagong Aquarius na puno ng confidence. So, hindi ka na matatakot, hindi ka na mahihiya na harapin ang mga bagay-bagay. It seems that you're already grown up, you're already matured. Na-disiplina mo ang iyong emotion, at the same time, everything. So, here you are, full of confidence. So, this is a good thing, Aquarius, kasi malayo to sa dati na ikaw na parang, parang although like cheerful ka sa labas ng pagkatao mo, parang masayahin ka, napapasaya mong ibang tao, but deep inside, during decision making na parang dyan ka medyo pumapalya. Okay? So, Aquarius, we have here five of wands. Magkatapat siya dito sa Ace of Pentacles, which is a blessing or good news about big amount of money or it's like a new opportunity for you, but it will only be manifested kapag lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo and you need to work with others. Collaboration and partnership ay kinakailangan for your manifestations to come on your way. Although you are gifted, talented, matalino ka, but that is not enough. Mas maraming pang tao sa paligid or sa community na mas magagaling. So, you need to work with them, especially yung aligned din sa mga hilig mo, sa mga talent mo. Of course, mas marami ka pang matututunan sa kanila and na pwede mo rin gamitin to further improve your craft. So, networking, collaboration, cooperation, go outside, and have time to talk and communicate with others. Okay? So, 10th and last card we have here the moon. So, clarity. So, revelation. This is your emotion. Okay. Wag mong pigilan. It's like, wag mong kimkimin. Wag mong dibdibin kung ano may nararamdaman mo. You need to express it. Isabihin mo ito kung sa concerned person, sa family member, partner, in a relationship, co-workers, kung ano man yan, mahirap na. So, the universe is sending a message for you to be relieved para mabunutan ka ng tinig, para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, para maging happy ka, ma-enjoy mo ang sarili mo, is you need to be clear about your intentions. You need to be clear about, kasi baka mamaya nakikisama ka pala, hindi pala nila alam may problema ka sa kanila. So, you need to reveal it. So, you need to be clear. You need to be transparent about it, Aquarius, para hindi lumala ang problema o parang at least mapag-usapan at masolusyonan agad ng maaga pa. Okay? So, that's it. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Aquarius sa mga kapatid ito ngayon. At kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, I don't hesitate to comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama. Hanggang sa susunod na reading nating pagsasamahan, mag-iingat po kayo lagi and God bless.